Hello and good morning. Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Wednesday, April 3rd, 2024. Overcast skies at 8 octaves. Temperature, it's above freezing at plus 5.1 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is steady at 995.9 millibars, and the air quality is very low at 0.1 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Well, it has been raining on and off since yesterday, and this morning I was actually awoken up by this huge thunder as if the heavens dropped a cannon and it reverberated the ground as it hit the ground. Nevertheless, let's check the rain gauge to see how much rain we got so far. I hope you saw that. So that we got 7.6 millimeters of rain, and that will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, we're gonna get more rain today. More rain is in the forecast, and that will continue overnight. However, as the cold air rushes in, that will actually change the precipitation into snow. And speaking of snow, I actually posted a weather educational video yesterday in my YouTube channel, WeatherShortsReels, and it's all about snowboards. So if you want to check it out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, WeatherShortsReels, and enjoy watching all about snowboards. And tomorrow, I'm going to be posting part 2 of that, and that is how to measure snowfall. I know it's spring, but if you want to save it, bookmark that video so you can watch it next winter. Or if you're in the southern hemisphere and you're expecting snow, then it's good to watch it. Well, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the clouds shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.